How's everyone doing? My name is Coach Anthony Lane, powered by Connected Lane. And if you are looking to realign your life and looking for a life that lights you up, and you want to learn how to bring that life in more alignment with who you are and who you really want to be, then you're in the right place. Let's go ahead and get started. So when I was going through my transformation stage and trying to really become the next you, my next me, a better person for me, my family, my friends, and just wanted to work on being an all-around person, I kept trying to fix habits, work on new habits, work on old habits. I kept trying to make these New Year's resolutions. Get this new body, get this new head, get this new fashion style. But it wasn't until I started working on who I really am on the inside that I started making that true transformation for who I am. And that is what we as humans really do. We try to change everything else without changing who we really are. And when we make that change to change who we really are, by looking on the inside of okay, this is going on, how did I get to this point in my life? How can I make that adjustment for those points in my life? I told you in a previous video that the change that my mom was doing, the thing that my mom was doing was she'd get a paycheck, and then before she got paid, actually hit her account, it was already spent in her head. So when it hit actual physical paper, it was gone. And I was doing the exact same thing. I was spending so much money and I had very little to show for it. Yeah, I had a car, I had a house, but that was very little to show for it. I didn't have anything inside the bank. But when I started making that change on the inside of me, on who I really was and how I wanted to live my life, that's when I started seeing those real transformations taking place. Not by me setting little micro habits and doing other things. Change only comes from within. It's just like I didn't change my diet, I changed my lifestyle on how I was eating. Instead of eating pork and beef and protein, it's all types of meat, I just adjusted my diet on what I really wanted. And I didn't allow people to guilt trip me into eating steak or eating chicken or whatever. I made a lifestyle change for me. I changed from the inside out. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to take one thing that you're doing and ask yourself, how can I make a change for myself, to better me, which will eventually affect those who are around you also. Those people that are around you, they may like it, they may not like it. But the most important thing is that you make this adjustment for you and who you really are. And that's when you will start seeing those little changes that you're stacking one on top of the other and staying consistent. And then when you notice yourself starting to fall backwards, you just ask yourself, do I want to go back to live that old life where I was making everyone else happy except myself? Or do I want to continue to live the life that lights me up? My next you, the person that I've always dreamed of becoming? Or something that I thought that was so out of line with who I really am? That can be you. Make that change for you, for no one else. Everyone else around you will be affected by it, hopefully in a positive way. And that's who you're going to become. If this video has hit you, I would like for you to like it, share it, comment on it. Just leave me an emoji down at the bottom. And I'll see you in the next video. Coach Anthony Lane, powered by Connected Lane. Thank you. It has been a plum-pleasing pleasure to sit here and speak with you today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.